Yeah, we come to the league where a player gets Amailo Kadaituna and he still remains on field. Yeah, and yeah, so it is a welcome. What am I even saying? So, so it is a Nedbank Cup. Stellenbosch 2 and the defending champions 1. So yeah, man, this yeah, okay, we got knocked out. We got knocked out again by Stellenbosch on a knockout competition again, bruh, again. I knew like Isanto basaqeda ukukhipha vele ifixture vele. I was like, damn, why are they giving us like difficult teams that are playing PSL, especially Stellenbosch? You know how it be like, especially if like a team level like vele last time vele. So I was like, why always hlana team less? So but now, first of all, before I continue this video, let me just say congratulations to Stellenbosch for actually progressing to the next round. I hope they're gonna be doing well, and may they be one of our teams available. May they be the team that is going to take this Nedbank Cup. I wish them all the best. Yeah, I wish them all the best from like the bottom of my heart, because we've just beaten defending champions available. So you better take it vele if like you take it out to the people that are actually owning the crown. So yeah, man, I'm a bit emotional right now. But what can actually help me to become better is if like you actually subscribe. On 994 subscribers and 6 more subscribers were on 1k. About at least is always like Imodiami. And yeah, let me just get to the game. So first of all, I'd just like to speak about the starting lineup available. From the starting lineup, it was an experience available. It was, if like it worked, it was going to be a genius idea, but like it's my circle in the first like 20 minutes available because like then I idea living now. So first of all, our coaches they're experiencing, and then there was exchanges available due to rotation of the squad available, and this is a do or die competition. And then secondly available, because since it is a different competition, there are players that are gonna be needing to get available a game time, and this cup was going to come available is motivation available. Maybe performance it was going to be different. It was, you know, like for example last season when like we played Nedbank Cup, Pulemodi wasn't doing well, and then what happened? But available, he was actually ended up being the player of the tournament available. So Amayama tournament they bring like a different motivation. So I thought that was another idea. And then also like technically I thought it was okay, they were trying to keep the ball more available panty and just dominate, but like we're too reckless on the ball. We lose available. So that's the first thing available. Starting lineup is changing, and then like in our players starting lineup is changing, formation very changing available. So there were a lot of things let's changeable experience on like game lane available. So eventually it worked bad for like our coaches, and it's gonna be a long day in the office for them, because it is going to be things like we were inside. And to me also it is, I'm like, being inside, why are you experiencing with a knockout competition, experience with the league? But maybe we can look at this at the positive side thing. Maybe it can be like, now there are less competitions, and right now maybe you have to take advantage available going to league, but we can't be taking advantage while like it's available, but you can't have like a courage to actually dominate the match. So I don't know, man. And no coach like they didn't promise anybody available a cup this season. And at the end of the day, overall it is football, anything can happen. You smile sometimes, become happy. Last year they made me the happiest man on earth, and today, yeah, man, and I lost back-to-back competitions because I'm also a Chelsea fan. Chelsea lozile na yesterday vele yabo. You see on this video, see, it is like now I'm becoming emotional. I can't even like analyze. I can't even analyze well, but let me just try to analyze it. First half, as I was still saying, we're supposed to dominate the game, but we allowed the Stellenbosch which is dominated, and then Stellenbosch they concern a penalty through like Flavio Silva. He's an attacker, was trying to defend, and then it happened like by a bad luck Uzonto Uzokaba very player available on his jaws, and then after that the player went bleeding, and this was a very penalty, so that was an obvious penalty. And then after some time, Titus, beautiful goal from the guy available. This was one of my players I thought like on this window available, on the previous window, and beginning of the season very window, I was like maybe this will be a player that will be actually be living in Stellenbosch, because like he's actually a quality player, and this is a type of a player available Elinto Elingasuit available style of play Orlando Pirates because he's quick and he's good very technical, but also it was a thing to the Cotton Velo Apolis. I think this was the guy like Orlando Pirates went able to actually get Velo Apolis. They were actually going to get him available, and yeah man, what a shot from him, beautiful one. I can't like hate boy, even you know what I'm upset about, but think about that shot, even though it's got against my own goalkeeper Mr. Clean Sheet, but what a shot, my guy. I have to give you like your flowers. I can't be hating you for it like you scored like a beautiful goal. So there like I'm a players, because I think I'm a defenders in the middle, they could have done better, but it was a thing also their mind they thought the guy was gonna pass the ball available, but this gonna be like nah chill, I got this Bambanda voila, yeah boy. And then like he scored I guess the best keeper currently available with PSL, and yeah man, so far it is even think like the goal value of the tournament so far, because like what a beautiful goal and technique, the power, everything valuable. And then after that system score the boys, they were just demotivated. They were Kaizer Chiefs, they were still losing their balls into like being about this match about. Listen, if like we lost this match, even if we lost it about 3-0, but it is better if like Messi lose like a match in a respectful way. But what is actually happening is that we can't keep the ball like too much, especially like second half. Second half, I was like, the best thing that we can actually do right now is that we try to keep the ball more, because once a lose available most of the time, you know Stellenbosch they gonna be trying to waste Veli's card and they actually did, and they know keep about my yellow card. And then here South Africa PSL, you know what is actually happening. Abantu bathola 2 yellow cards abaphumi and stuff, so like Stellenbosch strategy service time thing actually very worked, and yeah, congratulations to them, I guess. Yeah, congratulations actually. So it's actually worked available, because they used that advantage really. So it was a thing which they are supposed the Kaizer Chiefs to be more on their ball, don't like press on like Stellenbosch, make it hard, but like from the backs as well, from the play while we're losing like a map or like we can't even like build the ball, we can't get to the second phase available of the match, which is a midfield available. And then Stellenbosch get the ball, time wasting. So that was what was actually happening. And then like first half Shabalala missed opportunity amaning. So yeah, but it's gonna be a big day for them to use Shabala. But I remember last time like he had like a bad performance. Well, about him in the second performance, he actually did exceptionally well, and we don't know, maybe Sambule we catch was love in Al Masry. He's gonna be doing wonders. Hopefully he's gonna be doing wonders, and I have to give credit to him like for actually getting himself from those positions available. As much as like I'm still able to Shabalala, but he's supposed to look on I'm a positives amaningi, because like he was able like for the sake which you're able to get yourself in those positions, you're able to make those runs, you're able to read the space available, and you took a shot on target, all of them, but eventually your level of missed available, which happens even though it is an abnormal thing very which will miss the very scoring opportunity very train available. But yeah man, I hope like on the next game available by Alisa. let's please fans, let's not criticize. Yeah, we lost well the competition. I'm not happy, but please, this is the time the boy needs us mostly more than ever bafethu, more than ever bafethu, because at the end of the day player lethu he come from development yethu, we invested a lot available. Let's just be there for him. And yeah man, I hope good like he actually comes back. And then the other player that was actually looking forward the most more than every other player, it was Flavio Silva. I was like, Flavio Silva, I'm expecting well about for him to actually score like his trick and stuff. And like to my the second half he was making an attempt and then like he got sent that penalty and then he scored a beautiful technique available from him also. And yeah, Fukamba Manga actually tried vela my chances vela maning. Lilep also came available, and we knew to Lilep was vela when he comes he won't be able to, he won't actually pass vela about the ball, but he's the type of a player vela. As much as other people they might criticize the stuff and but many players they are failing to actually like shoot was actually trying to do that. It was like Casting Siren, there was a time when he was supposed to cross or like shoot, he is doing what, he's delaying the ball, he's doing he doesn't lose really the ball but akathathe like responsibility, and him Lilep was actually he was taking responsibility available. And yeah man, we're unlikely to not win this match. Congratulations to Stellenbosch again for actually knocking us not once but twice this season kuma cup competitions. And yeah, I hope they're gonna be doing well. And yeah, bafethu, let's get to 1,000 subscribers. That will actually mean a lot. Ikosi aliphela umoya, how remain strong, how sabegezela 10 years akusilutho lokho, akusilutho, damn it.